Hello students. So welcome to the lecture. Today we are going to see a design thinking based lecture on battery health monitoring system. So in order to monitor the battery health, what are the things you have to consider while you monitor the battery? Why do you need to monitor the battery? Yes? Yes.
How it will long to use.
Yes.
Analyze the performance of the battery
Very good.
using the metrics like voltage,
Yes.
current,
Yes.
and its temperature.
Okay.
And its
And it's charge cycle. Yes.
We use continuously battery for many years, so we are glad monitors then it was not properly working. Because this monitoring this battery will be
Yes.
So if it is used in EV, so range is the thing we need to monitor. So it is very important.
Important fact. Any other answer? That's it? Yes. So see here, so we need to monitor the battery. Why? Because battery is the primary source of energy in the electric vehicle, right? So once the battery supplies the power, according to the power supply only the vehicle can function itself, right? So this battery is a very important factor. So there are different things that can affect the battery. So what are the things that can affect the battery? Very good. Climate changes. So I will tell you an example, right? So imagine you are in Jammu Kashmir. What is the temperature? What is the normal temperature? Take it 0, right? Take it 0. It can be a minus or it can be under 10, right? That will be the normal temperature in Jammu Kashmir. What about Gujarat or the Thar desert? What is the temperature? Around 100 Fahrenheit, right? That is equal to 40 degrees Celsius, right? So this operating temperature is a very important factor for the battery, right? So if the temperature is high, the efficiency of the battery gets low, right? So this is the main thing, and the charging rate also very much important, right? If there is a 0-degree temperature, imagine how much of humidity that are present in the air, right? The battery can discharge itself through the water content that are present in the air. Am I right? So this is the main thing that a battery should have, that is the temperature. Any other phenomenon? As you told, that is the charge cycle and the heating is discussed, right? The charge cycle. So number of times the battery is charged, the number of times the battery is discharged. This is very much important. So nowadays we manufacture many electric vehicles, right? So you are in the electric vehicle laboratory and you can see many vehicles that are powered with batteries and motors, right, inside this lab, right? So this is an important project where our students are nowadays working on battery, right? So our student will explain about the technology and what is the concept, that is the design thinking based concept that is implemented in the battery. Yes, Sudesh.
SNS is that how we can measure health of a battery. So every time we can't take the multimeter and connecting the wires and check the status of the battery to the parameters like voltage, current, and temperature. Voltage and current, which is measured in amps, are the key parameters to check the battery status. So we have used a lead acid battery, which is a 12-volt battery, to measure to get the data of current and voltage, and we use DHT 11.
Could you come closer?
For total system temperature observing, and current sensor, and voltage buck converter for stepping down the voltage, GPS module for tracking the vehicle GPS, and this is an advanced current sensor which comes with an LCD, and this is an ESP32 module which controls which act as a microcontroller in this system. And here is a dashboard where this data is displayed, like voltage, current, and temperature is displayed. And if you see the health report, what I said before, it displays the overall health, efficiency, and degradation of the battery. As per the day by day, it would be increasing. Let us take if a 30-day cycle got 1.5% degradation, and in the connectivity we use, as I said before, we use ESP32 Wi-Fi configuration. The device connection has these kind of configurations, and To find the fault flags that have been erased in the battery, we can get it like over voltage or over temperature, over current flow in the to the motor, or low voltage, and communication error can be displayed in this dashboard. So thank you.
Yes, as Suresh told, right? So this is a design thinking based project where they implemented a system, they configured a sensor with the sensor and as well as hardware, right? The hardware and the software are interlinked, and they monitor the battery's health by using a dedicated system. So this battery health monitoring is nowadays an important concept where, because people nowadays started manufacturing electric vehicles, and the end users, the number of people they are using EV nowadays day by day it is increased, right? So without monitoring the health of the battery, and if you imagine all the vehicles and the batteries are getting replaced, means there is a huge amount of waste that can be, right? So the old battery cannot be used again, right? So this battery health monitoring system is one of the system that is implemented by using a design thinking concept here, right? Which focuses mainly on about the health of the battery, such as the indicated parameters such as voltage, current, right, temperature, right, the number of cycles charged and number of cycles discharged, what is the degradation of the battery. So these parameters can be measured by using a concept where they used, right? So I hope this lecture will be giving you greater insights on the battery health monitoring, that is an emerging field nowadays, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.